Need to replace your MTN SIM card but want to keep your number? A SIM swap is the solution, and MTN has made the process faster and more convenient in 2025. Whether your SIM is damaged, lost, stolen, or you're upgrading to a newer card, this guide will walk you through every step of completing an MTN SIM swap safely and successfully. Let's get started and get your number back online. If you've lost your SIM card or it's damaged, the best way to do is go to the nearest MTN store and bring along a valid ID card and proof of ownership. The MTN staff will verify your details and help you activate your new SIM card on the same number. If you can't go to the store, you can message them to their Facebook account and write a message. That's all it takes to complete an MTN SIM swap in 2025. With the right information and step-by-step guidance, you can restore your number and get your services running again in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you, feel free to explore more of our 2025 mobile and tech tutorials to stay connected, informed, and in control of your devices.